Hi parents, my name is Melissa Garcia. I'm the Learning Director for the class of 2025. First of all, I wanted to welcome you all to Back to School Night. I hope you're getting a lot of valuable information to help support your students' experience here at LD. I also wanted to spend a few minutes sharing with you the focus for our freshman homeroom classes for this school year. As you know, LD has a unique opportunity with our homerooms. We're the only school here in Visalia Unified School District that has a homeroom class. Your student will be part of the same cohort with the same teacher for the 4 years that they're here. One of our goals with this is to help them establish a strong connection with their homeroom teacher and the students in their class. These are the areas of focus that we have established for students for homeroom for their freshman year. The first area is academic preparedness, the second is connection and school culture, and the third is social emotional lessons. The freshman team consists of our assistant principal, Kyle Yanes, our intervention learning director, Sandra Polk, and myself. The three of us are going to be working closely with all of the 9th grade homeroom teachers to successfully support your student with their transition to high school. We will be using this time to help them learn the ins and outs on being a successful student at LD Amante. Some of the things we're going to be talking with them about is our grading system. We also want them to understand the credits and graduation requirements, and we also want to help empower them by utilizing the available resources that they have to support them here, such as PowerSchool, Schoology, Google Classroom, and also emailing effectively with and communicating effectively with their teachers and learning directors and assistant principals when they have questions. Teachers are currently doing activities in the classrooms like different icebreakers, for students to get to know each other and to build strong relationships with one another. We've been encouraging your students to get connected with LD through participation in clubs and organizations and sports. Last week we held our Club Rush Day, where your student could go table to table and interact with students and the club advisors to learn more about the clubs that we have on campus and also to sign up to be part of them. We have been working also with our link crew leaders. They are pushing into the homeroom classes and meeting with students as peer support to answer questions and guide them and help them get acclimated to high school. As I mentioned, we will also be focusing on social emotional lessons. Imago is the learning platform that we are using district-wide, so students 9th through 12th grade will be completing these lessons in homeroom classes. We have the information here listed letting you know what we will be focusing on through these lessons. Students will learn empathy, how to understand conflicts and issues from various perspectives. Students will learn how being aware of oneself can impact their decisions and life choices. They will learn how to understand oneself and understand others more intently. They will learn to explore their purpose, mission, and goals in life. Students will understand and learn how certain needs must be met in life in order to feel secure in who they are as an individual. And students will obtain knowledge of what it means to advocate for oneself and others in need. We have everything broken down by month, what they will be focusing on. For the month of September, these are some of the lessons. We're going to help students to identify emotions and courage. Some of the lessons are focused on mindset, self-awareness and introduction lesson, building resilience, and expressing emotions. So we hope that your students find this beneficial. Again, we'll be working very closely with them to support them through these lessons. We will also be utilizing the California Colleges website. It's californiacolleges.edu. All of our students here at LD Amante create an account on this website, and we use it with them for the 4 years that they're here. This is a great resource to do college and career research. We also utilize this with helping students understand the A through G requirements, and we upload their transcripts to this program, and it will tell the students specifically where they stand with their A through G requirements and what they're still needing to complete. They, in their senior year, will then be using this website to submit their applications for the CSU system, for the University of California system, and for the California Community College system. So this is an important resource that we will get them familiarized with in their freshman year. The last thing I wanted to share with you guys this evening is different resources we have available to help your students stay up to date. So first of all, I have a Remind account. The students can please sign up for that, or you can sign up for it as well. You can text at 2025 minors to the number 81010. We also have a Google Classroom set up for the class of 2025. An email was sent out to all of the students in this class, and they were invited to sign up for it. If for some reason they have not received that, they can follow up with myself or Mrs. McBride or Mrs. Griffith. We also have a school bulletin that is updated on a weekly basis. It is shared with students once a week over the loudspeaker, and we also share it in the homeroom classrooms, and it's also available on our website. You can sign up to receive it as well. We have our EDHS website that has a lot of information and resources available for you. We encourage you to please go and visit it. And then I also want to encourage you and your student to email directly their teachers, learning directors, and assistant principals whenever they have questions. We hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you for coming to Back to School Night. If you have any follow-up questions, please let me know. You can email me at mgarcia02@busd.org. Thanks again.